Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a 2018 Toyota Rav4, and on this Toyota Rav4 we're going to go over the steps you would take to replace your map light or dome light in the front. So this is it's sometimes referred as the map light, and it also functions as your dome light for when the door is open or to be on. And so, but this is on the front right above the gear selector in the middle center console. So you can turn it on, right? So you're able to turn it on and off by pressing it, and that's for the map function. Or you've got the door function if you have a door open, or just be constantly on. We're going to go over the procedure of how you would go to replace that. So to replace it, you can use a nice small screwdriver, and you're going to be nice and careful in there, and you're just going to pop this side down, and then this side, and then you'll be able to pull the cover and remove it. And then the light bulb in here, you just pull it out, and this light bulb here is a 168. So you're going to get a new 168, and you would just put it in and line it up, the tabs there, and then press it to fit. And then you'll take your plate and put this end in first, and then snap it back up into place, and we just make sure that it all works. And so that's how you replace your map light and front dome light in your 2018 Toyota RAV4. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.